Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals. Welcome back to my channel. You may notice something different. You may have noticed something different all of this week, and that is my new branding has started trickling in to YouTube. I think this is going to be the first video with it properly in. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. I've been planning this since about, I don't know, February, and I was going to do the design myself, and then an opportunity arose to work with somebody for it, and I was super excited about that, so I decided to go with it. So yeah, I'm here to unveil my full new branding and share it with the world. I am so excited, if you cannot tell from the look on my face. There is so many little bits to show you. I'm not going to show it all, but I'm just going to give you a little sneak and a little chat about how we came up with it. So I worked with Becca of Club Gemini on this, and honestly I couldn't be happier with how it came together. So, first up we have my new Tilly Journals lettering / my general logo. So hopefully you'll be able to see that on screen now. I'm going to be adding lots of little bits in front of my face on this. It's gorgeous. We've added these little twinkles of flowers and little shapes in lots of bits of my branding, and I'm so excited about it. One of the things that I really wanted to do with my updated branding was to draw the colours a bit more together into colours that I really loved and colours that I felt represented me and my brand. Obviously a lot of what I do is foil, so it's a bit like you can't show off foil colours, but there are colours that I splash through my videos all the time, and there are colours that I really feel represent me. So we have 5 brand colours, and there are 4 main ones and, 3 main ones and 2 accent colours. Our 3 main brand colours are this gorgeous purple that you can see now. It's everything. It's that deep rich purple, it's super vibrant, and it sort of represents all of the, richness and enjoyment of the brand. Then of course we have the fun bright pop of yellow that just screams me. I have purple hair, I love a flash of bright. This is probably the first time you're actually seeing my full purple hair. It is very purple, it's just the underneath, but yeah, and to be honest, this is very similar to my brand colour purple, and I love it. But that yellow is a pop of colour, it's bright, it's colourful, it's cheery, and I feel like it's so me. And then of course it wouldn't be my brand colours without a blue, a turquoise, a teal. It's this gorgeous, Becca managed to find the perfect colour for this. It is that sea blue, but also kind of teal. It's got that green tinge, but also really bright and colourful, and it just pops, and it reminds me of the sea, and the sea and water is one of my favourite places to be. So we've both got a mix of my favourite colours, and each colour represents some of my favourite things and the most important things to me. We then have 2 accent colours, because obviously there are 3 very bright colours, and it would be a bit much if everything was in there. So we have this paler purple that I think works perfectly with the other colours. Again, it's nice and rich and it's a gorgeous colour. And then we have this pale pink, which, if you know me, pink isn't one of my favourite colours, but it's almost a creamy pink, and I think it works really well with the other colours, and I don't know what other colour would have worked, so I'm so happy with those colours. So that's those. And then we have my logo variations. So if there's any time I need a round icon logo, this is what you'll see. It'll probably become, what I'm probably gonna do is get a photo of my face holding my planner, but also have this Tilly Journals logo on my profile photos for things, because I want my brand to become, my brand is so focused around planning and things, but it's Tilly Journals, it's around me as well, and I feel like I want to be the face that you associate with Tilly Journals, and I'm not very good at showing my face. I feel like it's more personable, and that's more what I want my brand to be about. I want it to be about community, so my logo shouldn't be front and centre on everything. It should be a mix of my logo and me, because stickers isn't my whole brand. My whole brand is this YouTube channel, my Facebook group, the community I've built around my brand is what's really important to me. And so that's why I'm thinking that with my profile pictures. Next up we have something I'm super excited about, and you may notice that some of the lettering and stuff, it's me. It's my lettering, and this is one of the new fonts that I've come up with. Me and Becca together made a font out of Hermione. and I'm so excited about it. It is gorgeous and I am obsessed with it, and I'm going to use it everywhere when I use anything with my branding. It's just everything I could want, and I'm so excited. So then on to the actual like bits of my logo and things that I've got to work with to make everything cohesive and perfect and gorgeous, and I'm just so excited. I don't think you even begin to understand. So we have tons, and I'm gonna just be like dotting some around this whole thing of the different. So we've got some little shapy things, blobby things, I don't know how else to describe them, and they just sort of, to me, represent the sort of whimsical, creative side of my business, and sort of the, I don't know, flow. I don't know. I feel like I'm over explaining everything, but I'm so excited about this branding, and I'm just like, if you can't tell from this video, they've got the gorgeous shapes to sort of layer together, to use together, and they're just amazing. Then we have, on top of that, we of course have some florals. Would it be me if there were not some florals involved? Of course it wouldn't. We just have to have some florals because it's me, and flowers are one of my favourite things. Like, literally, I did not plan this. I didn't plan what I was going to wear today. I pulled on, look, I went out for dinner last night and this is what I wore for dinner, and I've just pulled them back on. Like, my scrunchie is purple and floral. Like, it's just me, isn't it? So yeah, I had to include some flowers, of course. So there's all of their little floral elements as well. And then to finish it off, because my business and everything is me and it's a creative business, we added these little patterns in and these shape elements. I have to say, a lot of these ideas were Becca's, and I didn't know. So me and Becca had a phone call and we chatted about everything that I wanted from a logo, what I wanted, the things I needed for my business, and she went away and came back with some ideas, and I was like, how did you take what I didn't even know was in my head, like the ideas that I hadn't, sorry, there's a bit of fluff floating, the ideas I didn't even know I had, and make this? I was so excited and so happy when I first saw it. I still, every time I look at it, I just grin to myself, because this is the best investment I think I've ever made for my business. Like, sod anything else. I'm buzzing about it, and I just feel like it represents me and my business so perfectly. I would highly, highly recommend working with Becca. It was incredible. So yeah, you already have started seeing some of these different layered elements coming into things. So I'm just gonna have a lot more cohesion in my brand, and I'm so excited about it. You'll see it coming into Fate. So as of today, all of my things on Facebook should have changed across. My things on YouTube should have changed across. My Instagram and my Instagram story highlights have changed, and I'm buzzing about it. I cannot wait for you to hear what people think about my full branding, and to see it come together more and more. I don't really know why I've decided to make this video, other than I am so excited about my branding and I really wanted to share it with people, and I wanted to show off my new branding and talk a little bit about how we came up with it and why I'm so excited about it. So yeah, that's what I've got. Everything from now on should be using this new branding. You may have seen it in a couple of videos this week. I'm starting to trickle it in little bits and pieces, and the custom scripts that went up, I was obviously using this and things like that. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. I have blabbered on for long enough about my new branding. I'm trying to see how long I've blabbered on for, but I can't. It's been like 10 minutes. I've blabbered on for long enough about this branding, but as you can see, I am so excited about it, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do, and I hope you see how it represents me and my brand, because it's everything, and I cannot thank Becca enough for working with me on this and for her amazing design skills. She has done more than I thought was possible with it, and yeah, so yeah, big thank you to Becca, and a thank you to you for helping me build this brand and this community that I absolutely love. Like, it just makes me happy. When I recently took a break from planning, I was in a phase where I was like, I'm not sure I'm going to come back to the planning community, but what brought me back is you guys, my customers, my fans, the people who I chat to, brought me back into planning, and I'm so grateful to all of you, because it's what I needed in my life, and it's always going to be what I need in my life. So yeah, I'm going to stop gushing now. Thank you for watching. Comment, like down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you like my new branding. I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye!